Got enough of something else in your shoe?
Dad, look.
Hold up then.
Look, Dad.
Oh, how strong are you, kid?
What? I'm here now. So, are you ready? Let me...
Come on, Harry. Harry, Hermione, come on.
It goes here. Go here. It gotta go here. And there's a other side. Nee. So, I'm gonna put my arms.
I see you've decided to... Come and walk in the middle, Babs, because that's going to be too deep. Gonna see if we can echo. Hello! Hello, beautiful world! Hello! You made someone laugh, Ethan. Hey! So if you guys couldn't hear, there must be some people, a whole family down there somewhere, and they're shouting back to us. Too deep. That one's not too bad, but come on, let's go. Rope swings down here, remember, guys? I remember when we were kids, yeah, and we used to like try and find each other, like you were like late in the evening, and you were groups of mates, but you were trying to find your other groups of mates, and you used to make that noise. Woo! And then like you'd all like regroup together, and you're like, yeah, that worked. Look, Ethan, the family that were shouting back at us are down there, if you can see them. You're crazy, baby. Thing is, he just ran then because he knows that she will just whack him with it. Go on then, show Daddy how you're going to get down then. I don't know why you have to take the hardest way. We're perfectly good track here.